The Chief Justice says judges who remand offenders without recourse to human rights will be punished. Her leadership, Sophia Akuffo, has therefore tasked the national team for the Justice for All program to include names of such judges in their reports.
In a UN Human Rights Report in 2013, one of the major human rights violations in Ghana concerning the handling of remand inmates is keeping them in custody for many years without trial. Some are also held in prison on expired warrants of commitment when in fact the law enjoins a judge to review the warrant for remand after every 14 days. According to the Chief Justice, the practice of remand is not meant to be a regular act of the criminal justice administrative system.
We need to make a greater effort to ensure that whatever causes these remands are dealt with, whether it has to do with insufficient or uncompleted investigation, whether it has to do with incomplete prosecution, whatever the causes are, we will not really lend ourselves to the encouragement of this activity, which, when taken to an acceptable extreme, amounts to nothing more than abuse of human rights.
The Chief Justice said, contrary to the negative comments in the media about the Justice for All program, it is meant to ensure justice is served to those who find themselves caught up with the law. The chairman for the Justice for All program assured the Chief Justice that due process will be followed at all sittings to ensure justice is fairly distributed.
This program has achieved international success. Just 2 weeks ago in Geneva at the human rights hearing, Ghana was applauded for initiating this program, which has seen a lot of poor and indigenous prisoners released under the program. As a matter of fact, had it not been for this program, most remand prisoners can be locked and forgotten.
The Justice for All program was initiated by former Minister for Justice and Attorney General Joe Gatti during the Kufuor administration in 2007.